Welcome! Yay! It's time for a new writing assignment. This one is going to be all about informational writing. So we know that there's narrative, stories, opinions, informational. Those are like the big three that we talk about a lot. This is going to be an informational paper, and we're going to do a little bit of research, and we're going to get to do it about inventors. I'm so excited, and I'll show you. I already picked one. I couldn't wait. Okay. If you have all your stuff from your pet rock, these papers here, remember your teacher likes to see that. They like to see your process. So I'm just going to take my pre-write, my rough draft papers, and I have my finished work folder here where I've been storing all of the work that I've been working on, and I am just going to slide them in. We'll sort it later. Not worried about it as long as it's all in there. They're just thrown into a bin somewhere. You might lose them. So I am getting a new piece of paper because I need to write down the inventor that I choose. In the description of this video on YouTube, there are links to 3 different sites. You may end up choosing just to research on your own, but these sites will help you get started. One of them is Ducksters. They're very helpful, and it will take you right to this page when you click the link. I'm going to slide me over. And here's a list of scientists and inventors, and when you click their name, it'll actually give you a biography about them, which will really help with research. So an inventor is just someone who creates something that we need. There's a lot. There's a ton of inventors. There's even kid inventors, and I'll show you that in a minute. So you can look down this list. If you want to pick one of these people, then you would just write down their name. Your job today is just to pick who you would like to research, and then maybe bookmark this page and save it so that you can come back to it to find that. Or one of the other links is this Invention Land link, and this is 10 different kid inventors that invented things that we didn't know about. I actually chose the Christmas lights because I like Christmas, and I thought, oh my gosh, a kid did that. Actually, he was a teenager. I already did a little bit of research because I got excited. So here are some that you can look up too, or if you would like to click the other link, this is kids.kiddle, and it has a list of famous inventors, and some of them do have links if you click on their name, and some of them don't, and you may have to click and slide your mouse over, let go, and here's a little trick I'm going to teach you. It's called a shortcut. On your Chromebook, if you click the Control key and hold it down and click C and then let go of both, if you click Control and C at the same time, it will copy Harry John Lawson, the one that I highlighted, inventor of the bicycle. And then if I come over here and I make a new tab and I want to look him up on the Google, I click and I click Control, and now whatever I cut, like scissors, I need to paste, like you paste with glue. So I'm going to hold my Control key and I'm going to click V. And there it is. What I copied, I highlighted it and I hit Control C. Now popped up. Ta-da! You can also, if you want to, you can also go over to the right side and you can click paste. But the shortcut is Control and then click V and let go. And it will pop up. And then I just have to hit Enter. And ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at his fabulous mustache. And now I've got information about the person who invented the bicycle, Harry John Lawson. And I could bookmark this page and come back to it so I could find all of my research information. That's my little share with you today. Now you know about shortcuts on the keys. So you've got 3 sites here that you could choose someone from, or if you're like, oh, I really want to know who invented buttons. Maybe buttons, and they're not on the list. You could go and you could look for that on Google too. If you type in kid inventors, there will be a list of all the things that kids have invented, more than just the 10 on this list here. Your choice. Like I said, I went down and I picked the Christmas lights, and I actually went and I did my Control copy and then my paste, Control V, and I found this page all about the person who invented the Christmas lights. And look at this cool old-timey picture. So I don't have to worry about any information right now. I am just going to write down on my piece of paper my person's name. It's Albert Sadaka, maybe? Albert. And I'm going to spell it correctly because if I didn't and I went to research him, it would be very difficult to find him because I'd type his name wrong and I might get somebody else who did not invent Christmas lights. And I'm going to write Christmas lights. And this is just on my pre-write paper. And I'll show you. I wrote his name. See, Albert Sadaka. And then I wrote Christmas lights. And that's your only job today, just to get that person. Tomorrow we're going to draw our pre-write box where we can put information in. And then I'll show you kind of how to start researching. All right, guys, have fun. I'm excited. I like inventors and reading all about them and the thing and how people came up with things. Some of the time, I just don't even know what happened. It just, oops, I dropped this here. Look, I made something. That's literally how some of these things happen. It's kind of fun to read about. So have fun. Find somebody that you enjoy. If you wanted to share with your teacher, you could send them an email on Google Mail and you could say, hey, I chose so-and-so, just to share who you picked. I hope that you're getting excited. This is pretty cool. I like looking up inventor stuff. All right, writers, tally-ho, have fun.